would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? Or would you stay with me?
Hey there, and thank you so much for watching. Welcome to another Clean with me. Today we're tackling my very messy kitchen. We have a lot to do, so let's get started. The first thing I like to do is unload the dishwasher so that it's empty and ready for a new load. We purchased this new dishwasher a few months ago, and I love having the top rack for more silverware or utensils. It also has this neat bottle wash section. That is amazing if you like to drink out of bottles for water or juice or anything like that.
You're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
Since Quentin and I both work from home, we just seem to accumulate so many dishes and plates and pans in the sink that we've been using the dishwasher almost every single night. So there are a couple of things I like to wash by hand just to leave us a little bit more room in the dishwasher.
Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
Now we are moving on to the refrigerator. This thing is packed full and an absolute sticky mess. I've been putting this off for way too long, but I know it will be so much better once it's done. The side shelves hold our sauces, so they seem to get dirty the quickest, so I'm taking those off and washing by hand. We also had to order a new drawer because one was missing from the previous owners, and it came in the mail while I was filming, so washing that too, then reorganizing.
Find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
I like to go through all of the sauces or products that we always have in the refrigerator because the expiration date will sneak up on you super fast. So checking that out and throwing away anything that needs to be removed and adding something from the pantry.
Out to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah.
Editing this footage has been making me giggle nonstop. We have a ridiculous amount of sauces on both sides of the doors in the shelves as well as in the pantry. Are you the same way or are we ridiculous?
Now I know why it never worked out before. Hello, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line.
Every time I clean out the fridge, I always make sure to remove the drawers and glass tops to clean out any food particles that might have fallen between the cracks. Those get washed with soap and water, and I'm cleaning the main part of the fridge with full strength Pine Sol. I think I shared this in a video before, but Pine Sol is one of my favorite cleaners. I just use a microfiber towel that is a little bit wet and add some Pine Sol whenever I need it. It really helps to get rid of the stickiness, but it also helps to disinfect, and I love using it for everything in the house.
Sometimes, but I know we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on the show. And baby, I don't mind it. Let them talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod.
Time to clean out the stove. We have another electric stove, so I'm putting that glass top cleaner to good use, spreading that out and letting it sit for a bit before I wipe it off. Another thing I like to do while cleaning is changing out the decorative kitchen towel that hangs on the stove. It really gives me that lighting a candle after you're done cleaning type of feeling. I love this one. I got them both from Home Goods actually, and I think they're so cute in the kitchen. One thing I didn't get to do in this video is clean inside this stove. I could not find the stove cleaner anywhere, so I will need to do that in the next video.
Piece by piece.
We're almost done. I'm quickly cleaning off the cabinets and counters, then going to work my way to the sink for a deep clean. I like to clean the sink with baking soda, vinegar mixture, and it really helps to get rid of any stuck on food particles and leaves your drain smelling nice and fresh. It also gives it a nice polish. I also really like to use Barkeeper's Friend, but it doesn't make it smell as nice as the baking soda and vinegar mixture.
Little things get huge, just keep on moving through the beat. I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. I hope you had a great time hanging out with me today. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below what you'd like to see next from me. And I'll see y'all in a brand new video next week. Bye!